Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So for all you guys initially fan out there, we have a very special episode for you today. So today we're going to restore the original AE86 stock Watanabe rims. So in this video, we're going to show you from start to the end, the process step by step, how we're going to restore the original stock rims. Okay, let's talk a bit about the original stock rim specification. So the original rim comes with the 14 inches. The rim spec is 14 times 14 inches. The width is 5.5. The PCD is 4 times 114.3. And then the offset is 27. So today the owner managed to get a set of original Watanabe Japan rims. And then the rim spec is actually 15 times 6.5 for the front, 15 times 7 for the rear. So actually very good for a rear-wheel drive car. So this rim is actually we call a black racing Watanabe. However, due to the old age of the rims, the condition, the offset is no longer very visible, and then there's no any stickers to saying about the rim offset. But I do suspect that this rim at least minimum offset 20. So in order, if you're looking for rims for this car, you need 4 times 1.4. The PCD rims is 4 times 1.4.3, and the offset is 20 minimum. Since the original tires is 185, 60, 14, so if you go for 15 inches, there's a few tire choices we can go for. So the popular size will be 195, 50, 15 or 195, 55, 15. So today we are fixing a set of 195, 55, 15 onto this car. The tires we are using is actually the Yokohama AE86. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like what we do here, please remember to subscribe to us. Click the bell button below. And then if you are looking for sport rims, please remember to check out our website, WhatsApp us, DM us, Facebook us, and then we answer them as soon as possible. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's time for a drift.